Welcome. Today we have PS5 Pad and the problem is with drifting left analog. I will show you on the tester. We need to connect the battery. Let's see the diagram, and you can see the left analog drifted. It should be on this position, but it goes to the right. How could we repair that? We need that tool and solder it to the board. Then we can change the resistance between these pins. So mount this resistors and then we will change the resistance. So now I'll have already mounted connect the battery. Now we need a screwdriver to change the position, and we will see how to change it. As you can see, we go down 0.00, and the second one perfect 0.00. So this method worked perfectly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.